Hello everybody. Okay guys, after the big storm of messages after I launched my new paper line, finally I have a few moments, oh my gosh, sorry for the camera, finally I have some time to get in the challenge kit giveaway. And oh my gosh, I am of course I peeked a little sometimes, but I did not completely watch the list because I want to do this together with you. And there are so many, even videos guys, even videos are on here to watch. And oh my gosh, this is a nice picture, a little video. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And it's so overwhelming, everything. And see all those projects passing by. And so cute, all those 5 minutes of a video. So cute. Yes, absolutely. I recognize this project. One of my favorite projects ever. So many pictures, and oh my goodness, and each time, even now, look at this, also my folio, super cool, as if I watch my own project. I'm so proud of you that you all spent all those videos with me, and look at this, a nice amount of project together. So many. The cosmos, and loads of videos guys, loads of videos. Here's maybe my best project ever, the suitcase. Love that project. And here's my Sherlock Holmes box, but then another paper. Oh my gosh, how do I ever choose? Guys, this is impossible, mission impossible. I did not think of this perfectly through before I added it on my YouTube channel. I thought this would be easy, but oh my gosh, that's not a word. Oh my gosh, there are so many. Oh my goodness, and this goes on and on and on. Oh my god, this is also the baby album. So cool. I just love it. Look at that. You even took the effort to film it. Oh my goodness. This gives me this is it, guys. For me, this is definitely it. That you show me that you love to do my tutorials, that you love to do making the projects that I did, not even buying the kit, but with your own papers. That is the goal for me. And doing the kits, that's only, oh my gosh, this is also, I believe, the suitcase or something. Oh, the La Traviata memory box from Lorraine. So cool. And doing the kits, like I told you, is just a little support on that I do those tutorials for you guys, and that I put my time to do it, and I just like to show you how I craft, doing it my way. Oh my gosh, I love this one too. Super cool. Yes, and oh my gosh, there are more. So many discontinuings, guys. Oh, I love this one too. Oh gosh. This is super overwhelming. How do I ever choose? Oh my gosh, I have no clue. A lot of Sherlock Holmes boxes. And here are my love notes from Graphic 45. So as you can see, guys, this is for me a big shout out that I do something right for you guys. So that you enjoy my tutorials, and that I do not babble nonsense doing my tutorials. And yeah, oh look at those little children playing, watching in that folio. Oh, my Dream Bake project. Oh my gosh, that was also a very lovely one. So how, oh, sweet Sweet Secrets this was. Oh my gosh. So yes, I just wanted to give you a little shout out. Thank you so much for sending me all of these super cute videos, all of that, and I think I'm at the end. Am I at the end? I think I am. So yeah, it's a really a big shout out and to you guys. So just thank you so much, and I am gonna choose 4 persons, and I'm gonna tell you that in this video. So which one I am gonna choose? That is so hard. As you can see, there are so many. But yeah, I just like to thank you so much. These are definitely 3 of my favorite albums in one spot. I even got a video from, I forgot the name, that I think she made every single album that I made, and she made it herself too, because she had a big room, and where she had all the project in one spot. Well, I believe 2 spots, nicely on a shelf, and that was so good to see, because oh my gosh, that's the first thing that I ever saw, that a person had made so many of my projects. And it was, if I was looking at my own craft room where I should keep all my projects, but I didn't. I kept none. Yeah, my first one, my very first one, I kept, but not much after that. I do not have the space for it, and I have them on video, and that is plenty for me. If I can make anybody happy with one of my projects, then I'm so happy to share that with you. And if someone wants to buy it, then who am I to say no to that? Because I can't keep them all, guys. Yeah, then I should end up with that woman that did spend all that time with doing the tutorials, and save them all for herself. And I can so much relate to that it's her treasure. And yeah. Alright guys, so oh my god, I'm gonna because maybe you are gonna you are gonna get dizzy from watching all this, but as you can see, I have a lots of to watch at, and oh my gosh, super cute. This super cute. So a lot of things to watch, and then I need to. My camera is not focusing, guys. My camera is totally not focusing. Okay, I'm just babbling right here. Why it's not focusing? Hello, focus. How long is it not focusing? Okay guys, the first one, yes, I choose this one. I really loved also the little story. Samen met mijn dochter maken we nu jouw Sherlock Holmes box. Mijn dochter met jouw pakket, grote fan van Sherlock Holmes, en ik met Graphic 45. I really love this little message also, that she made this project together with her daughter. So that's the goal, guys. Make this hobby a hobby with your friends, with your family, spend some time together, and yeah, this makes my heart feels wow. Alright, so the first winner is Samantha Becker. Please message me. Okay guys, here is number 2, and I hope I pronounce your name correctly, but Numi Barayas, you are my second winner of the Kit Challenge giveaway. And the little text that's with it, the very first kit I got from you. Then of course I continue it to follow you and acquire more kits. Thank you. And I have to say why I choose this one is, well, look at this. My Dream Big project is a project that it's very near to my heart because it's a low budget project, and it's not because it's a low budget project, but I just wanted to show all of you that you can make with less expensive papers, you can make something super cute. And as you can see, she did a fantastic job. So that is why I choose Numi Barrias. Girl, congratulations. Contact me. Okay, number 3 is Gerina Gooselink. And I must say she showed me a few pictures. I see here maybe the Sweet Snow. Yeah, the one with the lemon craft. I can't remember the name just right now, but that one she showed me. And this one, this was not a kit, I believe, but this was that huge mini album that I just felt making it. Here is another low budget mini album, and this is another one from Lemoncraft, I believe. No, this is the inside from the first picture. I believe so it was. I don't know exactly. But there is the little message. Ik heb er 3 gemaakt bij de laatste. Eerste op de foto. Moet er alleen nog bloemen op de voorkant. Ik ben heel blij dat je zulke mooie tutorials deelt. Ik heb er zoveel van geleerd. Dankjewel. Gerine, jij bent nummer 3. Gefeliciteerd. Dankjewel voor het doorsturen van je mooie foto's. Alright, and number 4, I can't skip this. This is just unbelievable. I'm gonna click on this video because, is this mine album or is it yours? You bought it for me, didn't you? No, she didn't. Alright. Gosh, this looks so the same as me. Gosh, okay, Magali Delorme. I have no idea how I pronounce your name correctly, but you know it's you. And you also sent me another one. This one, Alice in Wonderland. One Time to Dream. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't this absolutely stunning? Yes, it is. Girl, you did it. And there was even more. But this was the one that, yeah, it's totally perfect. Alright, Magali, send me also a message for your address so you can claim your prize, your Kit Challenge prize. And yes, guys, alright, thank you so much. Okay, guys, so that was it. Our 4 winners of this Kit Challenge giveaway is finally done. Congratulations to all 4 winners. Please contact me in any way you like to contact me and send me your address, and then you will get your prize soon arrive at your doorstep. Okay, thank you so much to join me this giveaway. And yeah, again, it's so heartwarming to see all of your cute projects following my tutorials. This gives me a big thumbs up to do this more. I hope you still like it. So see you next time. Bye bye.